strange humming sound near my grandma's house. Sounds like a fire jet. Take a listen. Sounds like a Boeing 757 engine, too. Wait, I don't know where it's coming from, but it's coming from over there. Listen, you hear that? It's a fire jet? What the heck was that? I don't even know what I'm hearing right now, to be honest. It's my grandma's house. I don't even know what sound is. This is weird. I need to get out of here. I don't even know where the sound's coming from.